Right, so guys, this is the Volkswagen Golf R. It's brand new. It's coming off the trailer. What I've just spotted here is... Guys, thanks for tuning in to another YouTube video. Today, what I have for you is a brand new Golf R. This has literally come in brand new. It's got the optional extra Akrapovic exhaust. It's the facelift, and for the exhaust the owner has paid I think £3,000 including VAT. So let's give you guys a walkthrough and show you what it's like inside and show you what the exhaust sounds like. You guys ready? Yeah, facelift front end. It is covered up, the glass is covering, and it has literally just come off the trailer truck. 19-inch Mascara alloys. Just to give you guys a bit of a closer look on the exhaust. As you can see, it's Akrapovic. I think it's above throttle control. When you put the vehicle into race mode, definitely loudens up. Show you guys the exterior. This is the interior. I do apologise about it being stripped down. You've obviously got seat covers on and everything. However, this is the leather, as you can see. It's obviously got the virtual cockpit as standard. It's got the keyless start. Not too sure how I feel about that because obviously, you know, with cars being nicked left, right, centre. Personally, I wouldn't be having that feature. However, this interior is looking absolutely mint. It's got privacy glass on the back. Again, with the two-tone style leather. You've got the pano sunroof. It's looking absolutely mint. Boot space wise, shit, the boot ain't gonna open. Show you guys what it's like inside. Yeah. So inside, you've pretty much got the typical Golf R layout. Now, with this thing being brand new, you can see, got a delivery sheet here. Got loads of keys here. So let's show you guys what it sounds like now, because that's the main bit. Are you ready? That's the vehicle started on a standard start. Give it a couple of revs. It's pretty quiet, to be honest with you. Put the vehicle into race mode. I mean, it's not really significantly louder. It is loud in terms of sound, but it's not what I expected. To be honest with you, with it being an Akrapovic, it does obviously need to settle in because this vehicle has literally got no miles on it. It needs to be PDI'd, so the vehicle needs to be checked in and all the appropriate controls need to be adjusted. So, to be honest with you, my opinion on this this exhaust system, the Akrapovic is amazing. However, in terms of your bang for your buck, you can definitely get a lot more from a custom-made system, because with the number of silencers etc that are fitted in, and obviously this is an Akrapovic back box, now you would ideally have to change the downpipes to really get that sound and to hear the turbo spur. So sound wise, I'll probably give this a 6 out of 10. So if you are considering buying an Akrapovic brand new with the vehicle, I wouldn't personally recommend spending that £3,000, because it's loud, don't get me wrong, but it's not that loud. It's not a shocker. Now obviously I can appreciate that the vehicle has just landed, so it may prove me wrong, because after 1,000 miles the exhaust begins to... So in terms of driver select options, one thing that definitely has improved is the fact that you get eco, comfort, normal, race and individual. Now if you know about these Golf Rs, in the previous model, the model that I have, you don't get the option for comfort, so you get eco, normal, race and individual. Now the benefit of having comfort mode is you can literally cruise, so the car will effortlessly drive through all the different types of roads. With eco, it's just not enough kick. With comfort, you can drive, and as soon as you put your foot down, the power is delivered, which is a great addition to the this vehicle itself. As you can see, we've got the digital dash. Not much more really different. Yeah.
As I say, you did have periods when it was clean and we had so many fault doors.
Guys, thanks for watching the video on the Volkswagen Golf R with the Akrapovic exhaust system. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, as I've got plenty more brand new vehicles coming in, and I will be showing you guys what they're like in terms of exterior, interior, and just a bit of an overview. So you never know, maybe if you wanna be buying a vehicle that's similar, or you know someone that wants the same vehicle, then it's definitely a video for you to tune into. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, like and comment, because I've got plenty more content coming soon. In the next video, I will be reviewing a Mark 6 Golf GTI, and the content is gonna be crazy. Thank you very much, guys. Peace out.